In this video, you'll learn how to deploy a serverless function on Cloudflare Workers. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully set up and deploy a durable chat application using Cloudflare's platform. Start by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Cloudflare URL to reach the login screen. Once there, sign in using your account credentials. If prompted, complete any additional authentication steps required to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your account homepage. Here, look for the option labeled Workers and Pages in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on this option to access the Workers section, where you can manage your serverless functions. Next, locate the plus icon, typically positioned near the top of the Workers and Pages section. Clicking this icon will allow you to initiate the creation of a new worker. A new interface should appear, guiding you through the setup process. Once this screen is displayed, find and click on the option that says Select a Template. This will present you with various templates that you can utilize for your serverless function. Choose to browse all available templates by clicking on Browse All Templates. You will now see a list of templates. Scroll through the options until you locate the Durable Chat App template. Click on this template to select it, which will lead you to the deployment interface specifically for the chat application. Following this, you will see a button that states Deploy to Cloudflare. Click on this button to begin the deployment process. After clicking, the system will prepare the necessary configurations for your serverless function. Upon clicking Deploy to Cloudflare, you will be presented with a confirmation screen. Here, click on the Create and Deploy button to finalize your deployments depending on the environment, which may take a few moments depending on the current load on Cloudflare. After the environment initialization, you will see a stats message indicating that the build environment is being set up. Click on the stats message to track the progress. Once the build is complete, you will be prompted to click Continue to Project to finish the setup. At this stage, your durable chat application should be fully deployed on Cloudflare Workers. You can now customize it further or integrate it with other services as needed. Remember to verify your account's storage capacity before deploying, especially if working with large applications, as this can affect your deployment. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.